There's one skill that separates millionaires from everyone else. It's not tech skills, investing, or having connections. Most self-made millionaires mastered this skill before they ever made their first million. This one skill took regular people and turned them into millionaires. And I bet you've avoided it because it feels uncomfortable or beneath you. Most people never learn it because they think it's shady or annoying. The skill is sales. Yes, sales. You're probably thinking, I don't want to be one of those pushy salespeople. And that mindset is exactly why you're still not making money. Everything you want in life requires sales. Want a promotion? You have to sell your boss on why you deserve it. Starting a business? You need to sell your product. Want a relationship? You sold someone on that first date. You're already selling every day. You're just not good at it. Look at any self-made billionaire. They either started in sales or learned it to build their empire. The difference? They get paid for their persuasion. You do it for free. They think it's about pushing, convincing, or tricking people. That's why they stay broke. Real sales is simple. It's solving problems for people who are ready to pay. When you do it right, they're happy to hand you their money because you've helped them. You're not stuck at $50,000 a year because you lack talent. You're stuck because you don't know how to communicate your value. Mastering sales doesn't mean taking people's money. It means solving real problems and getting paid for it. Here's what happens when you finally learn how to sell. If you have a job, you confidently walk into your boss's office and get a raise because you know how to pitch your value. If you're starting a business, instead of begging for attention online, you find people losing money from a clear problem and offer a real solution, and get paid for it. If you're freelancing, you stop charging $25 an hour and start charging $250 because you can clearly show how much value you bring. In your personal life, you negotiate better, get your ideas heard, and build stronger relationships with people who can help you grow. The wealthiest people I know all have one thing in common: they know how to sell. Forget what you think you know about sales. Here's what actually works. Step 1. Find people with money problems. Look for those already spending money trying to fix an issue and failing. Step 2. Listen carefully. Ask, what's your biggest challenge right now? Then let them talk. They'll tell you exactly what they need. Step 3. Speak their language. Don't say, I do marketing. Say, I help restaurants fill their tables without wasting ad money. Step 4. Handle real objections. If they say, I need to think about it, they either don't trust you, don't believe it works, or can't afford it. Find out which and address it. Step 5. Ask for the sale. You've done the work. Just say, when would you like to get started? Stop seeing sales as something you do to people. Start seeing it as something you do for people. If your product or service can truly help them, it's your responsibility to offer it. You're not tricking anyone. You're helping them avoid missing out on a solution that could change their life. Every successful entrepreneur will tell you, the persistence, creativity, and discipline it takes to sell is the same formula for building real wealth. Once this clicks, you stop feeling guilty. You start feeling confident. And people start buying from you. So here's your challenge. Pick one area where better sales skills could help. Want a raise? Learn to pitch your value. Want more clients? Learn how to sell your service. Want better deals? Start negotiating more often. This week, find one person with a problem you can solve. Ask questions. Listen closely. Then offer to help, and name your price. Start small. Charge your neighbor $75 to clean their gutters. Help a local business fix their Google listing for $500. Just start practicing. Most people won't. They'll keep complaining instead of learning the one skill that actually changes their bank account. Don't be most people. Learn to sell, and watch your income transform. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more content that actually improves your life and your money.